In the morning time, favor, blessings, and God's goodness follows me. Favor, blessings, and God's goodness follows me.
When I wake up, Lord, I thank you for your love that keeps me strong. Every step I take, you guide me. You're the reason I carry on. You lift me up when I am low. You fill my heart with joy